3, 2, 1, action!
Hi everyone. Hi everyone, my name is Princess. For those of you who know me, know that I teach English here in Hungary to non-native speakers. So sometimes during my lessons, I get sentences like, I'm going to for the party. That's not a good sentence. It's grammatically incorrect. Then my students ask me, what's the difference between to and for? So today, we're just going to be scratching the surface for the difference between to and for. Right. So we're going to be looking at them mainly as prepositions. To describes motion or movement from one location to another location. Simply put, it's the transfer or exchange. So exchange in Hungarian is cserélni. To help us with this, we're going to be using Michael Pen. Michael Pen's going to show us how to transfer. So Michael's going to move his body from this location to over here. He has transferred from the original location to the secondary location. So Michael's going to need a friend to help him with exchange. This is Brenda. So Michael and Brenda want to exchange places. Michael and Brenda switch places. This is the exchange. So most of the time, when using to as a preposition, it's always followed by a verb. For example, I'm going to read. You are actually moving your body from one area to another area to do something, to read, to cook, to swim. This is how we use to. Moving on into for as a preposition, it's almost always followed by a noun. For my friend, for my mom, for my school. It could be anything that's a noun. Now, to describes advantage, or it means advantage, because you are benefiting or receiving profit or gain from somebody helping you or getting something. Like, it could be something tangible, like I got this pen as a gift, so I have benefited or profited from this wonderful pen. But then, for can also be used to explain a benefit which is intangible. So if someone says thank you or I love you, these words make you feel good. So an advantage or a benefit is something that makes you feel really good inside. So let's look at a couple of examples of sentences which will help us understand how to use the difference between to and for. Let's get to it. Hi again. So here are some samples to help us understand to and for once again. So the first sentence, vegetables are good, you. So when you eat vegetables, they help your body, so they build your body. They also build up your immune system, especially now during this crazy time. We need vegetables to build up our immune system so they can fight off anything that comes to it, right? So if you eat the vegetables, are they benefiting you? Are you gaining something from them? Are you gaining minerals? You are. So we would say vegetables are good for you. Right. Second sentence. I sent the letter him. Who is him? Let's say it's my uncle. So I wrote a letter and I decided I want to send it uncle. So what do we say? The uncle has to receive the letter. Therefore, we're going to transfer the letter from home to the post, to his place. I sent the letter to him. The letter has moved from location A to a second location. Third sentence, I am dancing you. So if I decide to dance, I'm trying to make you feel good. I'm trying to make you feel happy, to laugh at me if you so wish to. So, I am dancing for your profit or for your benefit. I'm making you feel good. So I'm going to dance for you. I could also cook for you. I could also sing for you. These are things that make someone feel appreciated or feel good in a sense. Okay? Next one. I am going school. So you are moving your body once again. You are transferring your body from home to school, to the park, to the mall. That's the answer. Next sentence. Please turn on the light me. So As you can tell, I'm a pretty short girl. And so sometimes I can't reach certain things. I don't know who would decide to put a light switch all the way up over here, but let's say there is a light switch over there. So I'm gonna ask my husband, hey, could you please help me? Can you please help me? And he's gonna say yes. So I need him to help me as an advantage because he's taller than me. So he has to give me the help. He has to provide for me. He has helped me. He has given me a benefit of which I can now read in the dark. Or, well, not in the dark anymore now because he's turned on the light. Second sentence, or last sentence, please take the dog, the park. So we're transferring the dog by walking it. So every evening or morning when you're taking your dog out of the house and to the park, you are transferring its body. So you are changing its location. So we take the dog to the park. So I hope you understand this lesson because simply put, we are transferring and exchanging when we use to. And we are benefiting, gaining, profiting, or getting an advantage, good things, when we use for. I hope that the sentences I've given you have helped you understand the difference between to and for as prepositions. Remember that to is always often followed by a verb, to eat, to read, to cook. And to means exchange or transfer. And then for is for benefit, profit, or gain, and is most commonly followed by a noun. For my mother, for my brother, or for my school. And if you have any more comments or questions or any more ideas about what topics we need to cover together, please leave a comment below this video, share this video, like this video, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you the next time. Bye. We'll be simply scratching the surface, okay? We won't be looking at to and for the term